Hello everyone, welcome to Boss Vlogs, and today I am going to show you how to clean the dashboard of the Activa. And actually it's going dull after days passes, it's going to be dull, so we want to do like this. Using this you can clean spontaneously, and it is a wax, and some measures are given, so how to use it we can seeing that we can continue with it. Directions we need to be followed because it will give the benefit from it. First of all, the surface should be clean, dry, and it free of dust and impurities. The next what you want to do is remove the sponge from the pouch and apply gently and swipe excessive polish with the expert performance cloth slowly and smoothly. Because of the we will get better result from this. Caution: where it should not be used, do not apply this where it is under wet or under direct sunlight. It all recommended for the cracked or weather worn plastics or vinyl, because it changes the color sometimes, and it suddenly goes dull, and we will say that it is not good polish, it not hold for some time. Also it can be used for the many purposes. In a suddenly you want to go somewhere else, your vehicle should be neat, you can do within the 10 minutes. It can be used in speedometer glass, hand grip covers, acrylic fairness, footrest rubbers, brake pedal, and brake or clutch levers. Mostly it take the care about all something which will about contact about eyes, and keep out from the children, keep it for hours. And now I am going to show you how it is looking to appear like.